Here we have a natural piece of black granite, just to show you beforehand. No shine to it. Very matte. Very cloudy. Doesn't look great. If I try and catch the sun, yeah, you can see there's no shine to it. I'm going to show you how we can rehone and polish this piece, just to show you what we can do and how we can get your countertops back to life. there's the after. As you can see, we've got a really nice reflective surface from a very, very matte one. So what we've done is we've worked through the different grades of silicon carbide papers, and then we've done a 3-step polish with Nova Granite gel and a white buffing pad, just to get the rest of the haze and the scratches out. That shows you what we can do for your countertops and how we can help to restore them and leave you with a nice glossy finish.